Hello and welcome. If you're passionate about improving operational efficiency and reducing maintenance costs, then you're in the right place. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we will delve into the concepts of lean reliability, total productive maintenance, or TPM, and 5S. We will explore some game-changing strategies for your organization and how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can help you achieve your goals. So let's get started. Looking to improve lean reliability in your facility? Lean reliability is all about eliminating obstacles to efficient operation and reducing maintenance costs. With the right mix of record keeping, accountability, and workflow management, you can transform your organization with lean reliability. First off, you might want to consider giving your equipment operators more responsibility. This can be a game changer in cutting down on maintenance costs. How about having them perform minor maintenance tasks? This could be anything from cleaning equipment to performing routine checkups. Now, this brings us to a couple of key concepts: total productive maintenance, often referred to as TPM, and 5S. What is 5S, you ask? Well, it stands for sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. By having your operators sort, straighten, and shine their work areas, you're not only getting more personnel involved in equipment maintenance, but you're also making areas of improvement more visible. And remember, leadership should be leading the charge on standardizing and sustaining these practices. Next up, it's time to cut the fluff from your workflow. Start by mapping out the process that operators and maintenance technicians must follow to complete their daily tasks. Identify any obstacles they might encounter along the way, and then work to eliminate those obstacles. For example, if poor preventive maintenance planning causes technicians to make multiple trips to an asset before it's repaired, it might be time to make some improvements there. Speaking of preventive maintenance, or PM for short, it's crucial to plan these tasks well in advance. This ensures that assets are accessible when an inspection is scheduled, planned downtime occurs during off-peak periods, and PMs are completed on time. This not only improves schedule compliance, but also prolongs equipment life. Last but not least, consider using a CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System, to track completed work orders, inspections, MRO inventory, and other maintenance data in your facility. This gives you the ability to see trends in equipment health and workflows, enabling you to streamline your maintenance processes. Plus, you'll be able to plan maintenance more effectively in the future by scheduling each task based on real data. In a nutshell, improving lean reliability is all about managing information effectively, and a CMMS can be a powerful tool to help you do just that. And that wraps up our discussion. Thank you for watching. We've covered lean reliability, total productive maintenance, and 5S, and how a CMMS can help streamline your maintenance processes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our services, visit upkeep.com. Start your journey towards improved operational efficiency today.